First we install our upper glue lambs, and then we've already had our I-joist hangers installed. We put those every 2 foot on center for the ceiling, and every 19 and 3/16 on the floor. You can't see them because they're already covered up, but the same kind of I-joists we use for the ceiling, we also use for the floor. The only difference is the layout. We space them differently on the ceiling because they are not going to be holding as much weight. So 2 foot on center is appropriate to put them up there, and that will hold the roof in place. Generally in construction, for floor joists, we'll put them at 19 and 3/16 apart on center. For the ceiling, we don't need to have that much structural integrity for the top. So we can put them at 2 feet apart and still have as much structural integrity as we need to hold the building together. All right, so right now we have our guys, we have Ron and Hector installing the I-joists right now. They're about 106 3/4 inches long, and all you do is you lay them inside of those hangers and pull them down tight. And as you can see, there are little tabs that hold them into place so they can't pop back out afterwards. All you have to do is place them in there and pound them on down with a mallet. They'll fall right into place.
You have to, so, and those little hooks hold them down, right?
Yep. So normally we don't put nails through the sides of our engineered I-joists. That's counterindicated by the manufacturer. It'll cause them to fray apart.
Yeah.
So the manufacturers of the hangers will put little tabs that will hold them into place, kind of like a Chinese finger trap. Once it goes in, it doesn't come back out. Keaton giving these guys assistance so they don't have to climb down the ladder, grab one, and go back up the ladder. This just makes the whole process a lot simpler when we have more hands.
And faster, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Much faster. With 2 dudes, you can do this with 1 person, but it's a pain. With 3 people, they're flying right through it. I love it. So I usually just give that a few taps, and that will help the I-joist sit down a little bit further. You're a little high on those ones? Yeah, I just give it a few taps like this on the other side. And all that does is it just pushes it a little bit closer. The thing can come down a little bit more. That one we might have to readjust. It's a little bit higher than I like it to be, but it's no big deal. We're far enough ahead that we can take our time and repair any mistakes that we've made.